So this is the supply shop I used to come with my dad every fucking day. Well, working to pick up the HVAC supplies. Got the stairs here. The whole shop. Today's the last day. What's up, Mr. George? How you doing? Hey, Roberto, how you doing? How you doing?
What's going on, brother?
Nada, just taking a
man,
video.
It's really been real, man. I tell you
Yeah,
what,
man.
we really appreciate your patronage coming down to see us all these years. We had the thing going on, man. We made it happen. We're talking about with the business partners, man. I know where you came from. You know, you left off T and S and then did the CKS thing and you incorporated that shit like it's bad, man.
Yeah.
You got the shit going on. Appreciate it, brother. One love. Love you guys, man.
Yeah. What do you gotta say?
Always from the RDM.
Always. Old Dominion.
That's right.
Uh,
Right.